Maraming readings at memorization. At kailangan daw po ba na i-memorize lahat, word for word, back to back?
Well, hindi naman, except the provisions. There are some professors na pinapamemorize. Like, for example, ako, Philippine Constitution. Nangyari po sa akin, this is a true story, Tinawag ako ng teacher ko. Ang tibay case ito So nasabi ko na yung 4, may kulang pa. Sabi ng mga klase ko, ganito, kino-coach ako. Pinaupo ako ng teacher ko. Abalos, you sit down. I'll give you a 50. 50, dilakpak na ako noon. Sabi ko, sir, please give me a chance. No, you sit down. Sir, I didn't ask them to coach on me. You sit down. Nakapag-argue ako. And then when he came out of the room, lumapit ako, sir, please, sinigawan ako. Why are you arguing with me? So the following day, yung nag-coach sa akin tsaka ako, we agreed. Doon ako sa harap uupo at sasagutin ko araw-araw ang tanong niya. Ginawa ko yun. Araw-araw tinanong ako. And you know what? Ang grade ko was 90 at ang highest ko sa bar exam, yung subject na yun. Meaning, kung talagang didiinan mo through memorization at talagang lalamunin mo, talagang gaganda ang grade mo. That was my experience here.
Kumbaga napaganda pa po yung experience niyo.